Welcome back to Swankey. Today we're going to show you how to link guests to each other. Linking guests or associating them with each other is a very handy tool when it comes to planning your events because linking guests makes it so much easier to create seating charts, send invitations, track gifts, and write thank you notes. So let's get started. Now that we are logging into Swankey, we're going to hop over to Guest Central on the left-hand side. As you can see, we already have multiple guests on our Guest Central. And let's start with Alex Dunphy as an example. We're going to click on her name. You can see we have her listed as a friend. We've given her age 7 to 12 designation. We can either scroll through to the mailing information by clicking the blue button. In this case, we already have an address for her. And we can continue scrolling on to Family Link, or if we'd like, we could just go to the right-hand side and click on Family Link directly. Now that we're here, we're going to add a link. We can either add them manually by just typing in a name, John, or we can go ahead, because I know I've already added her family members, we could do a search in the top bar. There we go, Claire Dunphy. I'm going to select her name. As you can see, it's grayed out because we know that she is of the same address, and we're going to save it in the bottom right-hand corner. We can go ahead and add another guest to connect them. Let's do another search for Dunphy. We're going to add Haley as her sister. Use the same address and press save. Let's just finish off the family. Now that we're done linking them all together, we can go back to Guest Central. And here we have Alex Dunphy is listed with Claire, Luke, Haley, Phil. There you have it. Happy planning.